Before going over exercise 4 or doing the exercise, let us review what we have done so far in exercise 3. So if we're going to look at our footings and foundations, we'll see details like where the footing or wall footing should be, at what level. You can easily adjust this if you made a mistake. There's no really, big mistake or major mistake in Revit, as long as you know how to revise it. That's what Revit is for. So here you can see that the uh, finished material here was pushed down lower to the level from your first floor and the beam. So you can easily do that using the drop face in your walls. So let's look at how we can do that. Okay. So you see here, for example, your wall number 5 or any wall. Just as a review, right? You can always go to edit your type, edit, turn on the preview, make sure you are in a section view, and you can always make a different height or level for the layers of your wall by clicking on the Modify tab. Select the bottom edge. You might need to zoom a little bit. Okay, and unlock. Let's do that again. Okay, you need to wait for it to turn orange, like so, and then unlock. Once you have done that, you can always move this higher or lower to the level where you inserted your wall. The same token, you can also do that for your top level here. So you can do the same thing if you want to. You can always select that. Currently, it is already unlocked. That's why I was able to bring it down. Okay, so again, you click Modify, click on the edge. You need to wait for it to turn orange, right? So I think I've selected it. Wait for it to turn orange. And once it turns orange, then you can click it to lock or unlock it. It's a little tricky. You have to be patient. So let's see. It's not turning orange. Doesn't want to cooperate. Let's see. Yeah. And come on. There. Wait. Somewhere here. Not sure why Revit or Autodesk wants to make it that difficult. See, if I just click it, it disappears. So come on. We don't want to spend all day doing this. Even if I zoom in, there must be a trick here that I need to know of. Do that again. Doesn't want to. Well, I'm not going to waste more time on that, but basically that's how you do it. Click on OK. OK. And once you have done that, you'd notice that here you do have a base offset. And on top of that, there's this base extension distance. So base meaning to say here, right? You can change this. You can easily pull the grip up or down. Or let's not save for now, or simply if you want to have a specific distance, change this value here, base extension distance. Now if you want to move the top layer, right, you can easily do that by changing the top offset distance. Top extension distance. Now negative, so top offset will be the offset from the level you are in. So it goes up to, or constrained to go to the first floor, and you can also lower it by the top extension distance. This will be grayed out if the block, right, is still, or it's not unlocked, right? Now negative again goes down in this case. That's why this one is going down, and positive is going up. Sorry, there's no value here. So positive goes up. Okay, so make sure you make those adjustments. Make sure you're in the right base constraint and top constraint. And if you need to bring the base extension for a layer that is unlocked, higher or lower, and for the top extension distance, again, higher or lower. Now here, for this particular layer, we're pushing this down. So this is the, what level? That's the first floor. So this is the grade, right? This is the grade. And notice we are placing this material. So what's that material? That is the damp proofing, right? And the black plastic. You don't want to place this above grade and show those black application in your building. That's why I want you to make sure that you bring this down.